Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This video contains few important points about how to know a particular group is genuine or not in online business. I am doing this based on my personal experience. Please do watch till end to know step by step information. Right now in social network like WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram, there are 70% fraud and 30% genuine people are available. Every day we can see that many new frauds are coming in the online business field, so it is too difficult to find who is genuine and who is fraud. And there are two types of ways, like there are broadcast groups and as well as normal groups in this online field in WhatsApp. Whatever it may be, first do introduce yourself to the vendor with your name, your Facebook ID and your location, and do ask the same from the vendor. The key details you have to get from the vendor is their name, their Facebook ID along with their location. Here there are two types of vendor. Some vendors are ready to give their all details, but few people never gives their details. Through my personal experience, I can say the genuine vendors are always ready to give their details, but they may take some time like 1 or 2 days due to their busy schedules. If the vendor gives you the details, here I'll show you the procedure how to check their Facebook ID is genuine or not. Here I am taking a simple example. After opening your Facebook, there will be a search bar on the top right side. There you can type the name like FB ID which they have given. Like I have taken the example of mine, like NS own code is ours. So after typing that, you'll get their page or their FB ID. You can open that. In that, you'll get the profile picture, right? Just click on the profile picture and go to the end. Like scroll the profile picture till the end so that you can see their first picture. Like if you scroll the picture till the end, there you can see their first uploaded picture in which you can see the date and year of the first upload of FB picture. See, in our picture you can see 16th August 2019 is our first uploaded picture as profile picture in the Facebook ID. Here the point you have to check is the vendor's account should be active at least from the past 6 months. This is the main point which you have to check. Even after checking this also, please don't give orders immediately. Do watch the updates minimum 1 month. Up to 1 month, don't place any orders. If you get any orders also, meanwhile, my suggestion is don't place orders with the new joining group or broadcast group vendors or owners. Place that with the reseller itself because there are more chances of losing your money. While placing order, you have to compulsory take the bank account details of the vendor. This is the main key point where we have to be more careful, because in further if we lose any money also without bank account details, we can't even file an FIR complaint in online. So bank details are more important for any type of complaints. Now coming to the process how to check, if they give you the bank details, Google Pay or Phone Pay, now I will show you how to check. Here already I have said you we have to take the introduction from the vendor like their name. So in the bank details you will get the name of the vendor. You have to tally all the three like bank account details, their original name details and the Google Pay name details. And I'll in the first further steps I'll show you the process how to check the Google Pay details and all. Watch till end to know the further steps, and please do subscribe our channel for further more details like this. Here is a simple example how to check the Google Pay details. I have sent it 1 rupee to a vendor. You can see Google Pay user for a year. It means that he is using from the past 1 year this Google Pay. The main key point we have to check is the vendor should be active from the past 6 months at least in Google Pay. I agree that some new Google Pay users also available. So at that time don't prefer Google Pay. Go with bank details payments only. please send only 1 rupee. Don't send more than that to check or verify any details in Google Pay. After sending 1 rupee, you'll get a simple arrow mark here. As you see, just click on that arrow mark. You'll further go to the next step. As soon as you click the arrow mark, you will be further proceeded to this step. Here you can see the UPI transaction ID, to address, from address, Google Pay transaction ID. The main points we have to check here is the to address. Here you can see the to address should be the same whatever the name that the vendor have given, and below the to address also, to name also, there is another name that is linked to the bank account, so you have to check that also. So in this process, take time and do check step to step very carefully. To check all this process step by step, do a trial version before asking the vendor. Take your husband's or your brother's or sister's mobile numbers, Google Pay address, so that you can check all these details step by step. After checking all these details, proceed with your first order. But don't place the order more than the worth of 500 rupees. Get the tracking details from the vendor, and as soon as your customer receives the product, then go for the further orders. Unless the customer receives the first order, please don't place any more orders with the same vendor. Purchase only less value products till your fourth or fifth order, because there are some vendors or new fraud people who are giving our trackings and products till 2 or 3 orders. After that, they are not even responding, and we are losing the money. So please be careful while placing the order. Do check all the processes step by step. Take time and give your first order. As we know that prevention is better than cure, so taking time to check the details is better than crying after we lose the money. So my suggestion is, don't be in a hurry as soon as you get the money from the customer. Do wait a little time. It may take 1-2 days or 3 days also. Please do wait until you get all these details and check thoroughly before placing your orders, because we know that every day there are many people who are losing their money just by paying to the frauds, and after that they are feeling a lot. The important key points you should gather from vendor or admin of any group are the name, the Facebook ID or Instagram ID, the location where do they stay, the bank details, and the Google Pay details. These are very important before you place any order. Please do gather or collect all this information from any of the vendor or the admin of the groups. Do follow all the steps which are shown in before slides. They may take time at starting, but you can avoid 99% of frauds by checking all those details. Be safe while paying your hard-earned money. It is more important, and please do follow each and every step whichever possible to check whether they are fraud or genuine before placing order. If anyone have any doubts regarding this, you can comment in the comment section. We'll soon clarify each and every doubt. All the steps that I have shared in the video is from my personal experience. If anyone have furthermore details how to check or how to find out the genuine people, do share in the comment section. We'll do a video on that also in the further videos. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel to get further more information about this online business.